Hey awesome ones. Okay, so today I'm going to show you something that is really embarrassing. It's our garage, and we have downsized, so a lot of stuff went in our garage, and we're going to tell you what we're going to do about it and show you what we're going to do about it in just a few seconds. All right. Yeah, it's embarrassing. I've got every excuse in the world. We downsized from a large home. The kids are using it as a storage unit because they're grown now, but they want to keep these things. There's sentimental things. Hey, you know what? I'm the kind of person that makes her bed every morning. I'm the kind of person that, you know, organizes the dishwasher. I really like things in their place, and this is not it. So what's the plan?
Hey, awesome ones. As Heather said, the plan. Well, the plan is, because this is such a big job, we're going to kind of do it in two videos. The first video we're going to show is the cleaning of the garage in terms of donating items, saving items, and throwing items out. And of course, the donating will be for, you know, a good cause. So the second video will be more looking at the garage when it's all been done. All the sorting has been done, the yard sale is done, and hey, we got a garage back. And as Heather said, maybe we can get a car in there. Who knows, right? But stick with us and we'll see how this turns out.
So the first part of the plan was deciding, yes, this has to get done. And you might think that, yeah, you know, she probably hardly ever goes into the garage, but you know what? I do. And Bill and I like to bike ride, and this is where our bikes are. We need Christmas decorations. We come in for that. We come in for the seasonal items like, you know, the gardening items and that sort of thing. So for sure, when I come in here, it's messing with my brain. The mess is messing with my brain. And so don't make any excuses. Just start getting it done and you'll be so happy, and your brain will be happy too. So several weeks ago, we decided we're going to do this. And we decided to do a garage sale or a yard sale, whatever you want to call it. And hey, you got to decide on keeping, tossing, selling, or giving away. And we're going to do all of that. We'll show you that in a few minutes. But we also decided that if we did this garage sale, hey, a lot of these items we haven't looked at, and some of them for years. So we decided to find a worthy cause, and our cause is all the proceeds, 100% proceeds, are going to women's abuse shelters, local ones, and so it makes us feel good to do this garage sale. And hey, if you don't, maybe you live in an apartment, maybe you don't want to do a garage sale, and if that's the case, that's cool. Just get on the phone, call some charities, and a lot of them will actually pick up the items for you. So, time to roll up our sleeves and get going. All right, we got to get organized first for this garage of ours. So I got some boxes here, and what I've got is donate for the garage sale, toss, and keep. And I hope to have a lot more in the toss and donate boxes. I'm really trying not to keep, if it's been in the garage this long, maybe I shouldn't be keeping it. So in order to do this right, we got to move some of this big stuff out of here. So here we go. All right, so now we're going to start on some of these boxes. Even for our kids, they got their names on it, but we're going to go through them. And I've already called my daughter. She's got some DVDs here. She said sell them. My problem is I find all these things that are sentimental. Like, I used to use this board every single night. Well, not every single night, but we'd try to get the kids in for a nice home cooked meal. And I would put down the dinner menu, and it means a lot to me. But you know what? If it can be loved by somebody else, by all means, it's going in the garage sale. Now, Bill's little autograph hound for when he was 50, that's not going to go in the garage sale. That's signed by a lot of his friends, and they got little sayings on it. It's a little dusty, but yeah, that's a keep. My first donation to the garage sale, sending it off with love. I don't even know how something like this happened in my house, but obviously it became a catch-all over the last few years. People are just, oh, I'll use this saw and I'll just throw it back there, or oh, there's another saw. And anyway, the bottom line is everything's got to come off of these shelves, put into our boxes or around the boxes, and we start from scratch. Yes! A clean shelf!
Yay, it's garage sale, yard sale day, whatever you want to call it. But we've got all the donated items in the house, in the dining room, so let's go get them.
Oh my gosh! We got so much stuff from our, I don't even know where to put this. I'll just put it there for now. We got so much stuff from our neighbors for this charity garage sale. I'm so happy. It's going to such a good cause. And if you look at some of the things that we've got here, I mean, we've got amazing artwork. We've got some, I'm going to call this the elegant garage sale, because we've got some beautiful, vases, artwork. We've got coffee makers. Underneath here is this fabulous chair, baby gates, toys, humidifiers, it's just suitcases, all kinds of things, and I'm really super excited. I really am that the local women's charity, which is the local women's abuse shelters, are going to benefit from this.
How's the yard sale going, Heather?
Well, we were up really early this morning, and there's lots of people right now, so it's for a good cause. We're really happy. So the garage sale is over. You know, that's a lot of work to do, but I'm so grateful. We made a little less than $500, and then we decided it's a good cause. So we topped it up to $500 for the local shelters for abused women, and we're really happy about that. We did get some rain, so it dampened the spirit a little bit. However, the leftover items that we had, we did have a donation truck come by and they picked it all up, so ta-da! I got our dining room back, yahoo! All right, so I gotta admit, the garage sale was a little more than we anticipated. We had to go to a lot of homes and pick up some of their items, and we didn't get our garage done, but we did pick up all of these see-through containers. So we are going to get her done. And hey, I'm not an authority on making sure that things are, you know, absolutely cleaned out and all that sort of thing. But I promise you, we are going to be able to get a car in here and we're going to do a lot of sorting. The other thing that we didn't get done was the kids stuff. They really, one of our daughters, she lives in another city, and we kind of, this is all hers, we kind of didn't have the heart to just throw it away in a garage sale. I think some of you might understand that. So it's going to take a little bit longer, but I guarantee you, we're going to organize it. We're going to throw out, toss, donate. Until we talk next time, hey, where's that little dog? Hope he's not lost in our garage somewhere. So I found you. He was in the house. He wasn't in the garage, thank goodness, or else I might not have found you. But Bill has just said to me, you know what? We got to do a part 2, Heather. They're going to want to see the part 2. So sometime in the future, we will continue with the organizing and the clearing up of our closet, of our garage, and get that video out to you. So stay tuned for that. And in the meantime, stay tuned for the videos that we do on Tuesdays, because those are more lifestyle, food, travel, that sort of thing. And even some on you. Yes, Mr. Hurricane. Yes, on you as well. And on the Fridays, of course, are the fashion and beauty. So we're so happy that you're joining us on the videos, and the button's down there to subscribe. So come on down, join our community. Let's hear from you, because we're having a lot of fun from this, and we really enjoy talking to you in the community as well. So until the next time, I don't want to look too much around here, but we really did do quite a bit of a dent, and now that we've started, we're going to finish her up. So keep it awesome, and we will see you again real soon.
Everyone's invited to subscribe and join us on our journey.